The first step in processing this concrete sink is to diamond hand polish all the edges. Here I'm using a 120 grit diamond hand pad available via concretedesignschool.com. Next, clean the concrete with simple green and a green Scotch-Brite, then rinse with water. The next step is to clean the concrete with a vinegar-water mix. I'm using 3 parts water to 1 part vinegar, and I'm scrubbing the concrete with a green Scotch-Brite. When you're finished, rinse with water. Always dry the concrete when you're finished processing with water. Here I'm using a squeegee to get the majority of the water off, and then I'm drying with a paper towel. The last step is to apply a slurry coat to any areas that need repair. To learn how to make a slurry coat, see our previous video.